Welcome back. Now the news from sports. Current Football Association Secretary Savio Messias has told Prudent Media that he has not begun his campaigning in full swing. However, being in the office, he has met several clubs and has their backing. This is the reason Savio sees himself as the most favourable candidate for president's post. He also feels that the post of GFA and AIFF president should be full-time for betterment of sport in the country. Savio's campaigning for next month's presidential election has not picked up pace as yet.
To tell you seriously, I have not really started my campaign full swing, but I have an advantage that since I'm in the office every day and I spend the whole day in the office here, I meet the clubs, I interact with the clubs, and I've been in touch with the clubs for the last 7-8 years. The clubs know what I've done and what I'm capable of doing. So I've not started a full-scale campaigning, but I will start in the next fortnight or so, since I was preoccupied with the Federation Cup, Professional League, camps, the Australian program.
So do you see yourself as one of the most favourite candidates to go on and win the president's elections?
Yes, I do see myself as one of the favourites because of my proximity with the clubs, as well as I know many clubs have been requesting me that I should, that they are supporting me.
Prudent Media asked Savio Messias if national and local football bodies need to run with full-time officers.
Well, definitely in Goa, you require a president who should be very active, the club should be able to contact him at any time, any day, and he should be spending a lot of time in the office. In the past, we have had presidents who have sometimes really never attended office, never attended the meetings. The same problem is being faced in many of the states in India. Some of the states open their offices at 6 o'clock in the evening. Unfortunately, here in India, the president is not available most of the time. Since he's a very important minister, he has got his ministerial duties. We really require full-time people if we want football to progress. And that's one of the reasons why Goa has seen so much of progress. It is because of the dedication of our dedication, and that's the reason why football has progressed, unlike other states.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. St. Xavier's College girls from Mapsa thrashed Don Bosco College from Panji to win the Inter-College Basketball Championship on Tuesday. St. Xavier's won by 15 points to 4 in the finals and successfully defended their title. The tournament was organized by Goa University and their campus.
St. Xavier's dominated the finals against Don Bosco with a powerful team performance. Tejal Mahambre was the top scorer for the Mapsa College with 6 points. Skipper Michelle Fernandez with 5 points and Alicia De Mello with 4 points provided good support. Samantha DeCosta of Don Bosco College scored 4 points for her team. Prudent Media caught up with the St. Xavier's captain Michelle Fernandez, who is an All-India Panel B basketball referee. The team have been champions for half a decade now.
I feel overjoyed, and it feels different now since I'm the captain of the team and 3 years in a row. Really nice. That Xavier's are very lucky that every year they seem to be getting really good players, and hopefully we shall get some more players, and the infrastructure is really amazing in Xavier's. That's the reason I guess all sports players come to Xavier's.
Okay. The Xavier's boys could not match up with the girls and lost out in the quarterfinals to PG. In the boys semi-finals, Padre Costasao College of Engineering from Verna beat postgraduate students 51-26, while VM Salgaonkar College of Law defeated Dempe College by 16 points to 12 and entered the finals. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalists Sunny Narvekar and Ravindra Dalvi from Talegaon.
Starting a vegetable garden can be easy. If you are considering getting started, it's easy. The 3 things you need to consider the most are sun, soil and water. In this video, we have different views to a beautiful vegetable garden, and you will soon have vibrant vegetables. Vegetable gardens can be a beautiful highlight to your landscape. Have a look and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.